These are the Vive VR face covers by JARMOR, and they're the replacement eye masks. They have the little breathable holes here so that it doesn't suction to your face and make you sweat. And then they have decent thickness. And then, there you go. They have the Velcro on one side, and then which fits the Velcro here. And you can press down and it fits like that. One thing I did notice about these, because we've ordered quite a few different of these ones, these masks, is these ones aren't as thick as a lot of the other ones. They're a decent price, but I would imagine that I personally like the thicker ones more, but this is really great if you just want ones that are kind of backup to the thicker ones, or if you're just not feeling how it's pressed away from your face or anything like that. But the quality is fine and it sticks well. I just have tried different ones that I've personally have liked more.